I was up after 3 last night doing that puzzle, and I think it's time I show you where I'm at. My determination is to finish this before Saturday or before Sunday, but really before Saturday or on Saturday. So I only got 1.5 days left basically. Let me show you guys where I'm at. So here we are. Quite the progress, quite the progress. Over there, over there. A little bit left, a little bit left.
Come on, Kayla.
Yeah, because it's darker.
Yeah, look at some can't find no, you know, like, where's their look?
Oh well, let's see what I can do today. I'm not gonna stop until I finish. Determination. When I take it, boy, my camera shy auntie is going to be making rock buns.
I like to be in the background.
In the background.
Yes, when I'm doing things like this.
And since you only show your hands.
Yes, I like to make sure my hands are clean
and pretty.
And yeah.
You can suck.
No. Guess what? Oh, come out good. See the ants. So watch the ants.
So the butter melt already?
It's not really melt. It's like hard-dough bread. Yeah, so this is how it's supposed to look. Like hard-dough bread. Or like breadcrumbs. See? So I'm going to throw this in. That's a bit coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes.
This is cherry. Raisin. Sugar. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Let's put a little bit of my rose water. Some people use a lot of milk. You can use milk if you want, but I use almond milk, so I tried it already with almond milk and it worked.
Milk is milk.
Yeah.
It's a stick together.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to stick together. Ooh, come back in here, son. We should not do this, Sienna. I'm there. I'm weak.
Ready? Come stir the rock one for auntie. And they're weak.
No way. Me do it, sir. No, make it.
Him look handsome on camera. You're one person just look handsome on camera.
Yeah.
It's so now.
Yeah. Pass a spoon, man. Alright. Starters, I'm going to give it 20 minutes. It might be more. I've always done more.
This is done. I forgot to put the butter on.
The other one here. Let's see. So that's it. Should I get them here? Go bigger. So that's it. See? Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, yeah, burn it.
So that's it. Keep on cool.
Oh, it's it. Let's have again. You can go on. What about the texture? It tastes tough.
Not tough.
That's all I have to say. It's alright.
That texture.
You couldn't be a food critic.
We don't have video that. You have video that.
What?
They got your teeth good.
That video?
It's good beer. Well, because it's soft. Come on.
Gotcha! Thanks, mate!
She's good.
The house nice. The house look nice.
I like this one.
You that is flavor.
You?
Me supposed to eat more than you must still grow.
Yeah.
She nearly finished the way, you know, the puzzle. Oh, the puzzle? Yeah. Oh, no. Guess what? Hey, asleep. She not sleeping up. I'm saying now wake her up.
5 o'clock.
Oh, she was
3 o'clock I'm going to bed.
Because you know what time she go to bed this morning? David said when him wake up 4 o'clock at that time she had go. She said she had go to bed.
One thing I sugar maybe.
That one.
I know sugar.
Maybe the big one.
I know that's why I don't food all me. And me much no.
I want to
No, me that's not
And she never tell us someone go over to her house and she play it on the TV.
That's what I think. I love her little So you finish it before you leave?
You want this one or this
Oh, the puzzle? Of course.
Yes, like tomorrow. She not going to tonight.
Yeah, if you see how farmer is.
Okay.
Yesterday making taste the rice. So just taste it and if you don't like it, just spit it out now. And then just taste and spit it back in my plate. Every time.
To shade now?
So-
Where's the pencil and your
It
crayon?
can be 1 week.
Your pencil and your book.
So me just
Is that the new school book? But that's for school. It's not
to be
for
the
drawing, it's for school.
Can I use the last page?
Ask mommy.
Oh, you're not on the project.
Ask
to do
mommy.
anything.
When them come up with the house.
That's what I wanted a minute, please.
One drink water, one all this go down first.
It's water.
I'm out tired for true. I'm not never tired.
Okay.
Am I out alone?
From the Red Sea.
Press the boat and then you tell them.
you want more than
I'm
this?
sure that my dad do.
Hey, it's when me make curry
don't
goat
eat it.
or curry chicken. Yeah, you want to ooh. Hey, some curry gravy and like it and they cook rice.
Swipe and no
We just
swipe
put
it.
the gravy in the fridge.
Swipe and no
And we can
swipe.
cook rice. We just put the curry gravy. Yeah, we just use curry gravy. You know it.
Those are giant shoes. I can't manage them. Take time when you. You're bustling up the shoes.
Dairy free
All the way.
No quality DT said I'm gonna get you your ice cream.
You gonna get me my ice cream? Okay, I'll wait on it.
I told him that. She wanted to give you and she they have full on makeup artist. I forgot. She should have called me.
It's dairy free. How is it? It tastes like regular ice cream. It don't taste dairy free. It tastes like regular ice cream. Me can't tell the difference. You can tell the difference, yeah. You want to show your face too? Taste different to you? Don't taste different to me.
Go, Papa.
We're inside the tent.
Now inside the tent.
Axel.
We are inside the tent. And you.
And me.
Not vlogging.
Eating ice cream. Ice cream. Make a little piece of you.
What is wrong with you?
You want a hug? I was going to leave before you give you a hug. Hold on, it's on my shoes. Give me a second.
Yes, sir. If we wait, anything will come?
Enough things that come.